Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Oceania Suite experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Oceania Vista. I'm currently in one of the incredible Vista Suites here on board. It's a residential seaside villa. I'm going to take you through the space and review the amenities in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an amazing relationship with the cruise lines, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, we started off here in the living room, and keep in mind this is your residence at sea. You're going to get all kinds of additional amenities. Your Harr Travel advisor is going to be a great resource to guide you through that to make sure you get the very most value for your cruise money. You'll have early priority for all the reservations here on board, early embark and disembark privileges throughout your cruise, though to me, it's all about that Butler service. They're fantastic. They're going to take care of every detail, whether it's drawing a bubble bath for you, packing and unpacking, doing reservations for you here in your suite, or to reservations around the ship, or even shoreside. They're really here to elevate the entire experience. Now, you're also going to get some wonderful upgrades in the suite itself and around the ship. We'll review as we tour. Now, as you walk in the door, I did want to point out that this is truly a high-tech ship. You're going to have your temperature controls, do not disturb, make up room button. You can actually link that to your phone or your device. You'll be able to control that in addition to the infotainment system in your suite. Now, immediately to the side here, you're going to have the second bathroom. It's a really nice large space. You've got a marble vanity here, storage down below. You're going to find the first glimpse of those highly upgraded bath amenities from Bulgari and Acqua di Parma. As I step into the shower, you can see I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6", plenty of space with the rainfall shower head up above, adjustable shower wand, and you've got the step down below. Now, as we head into your living room, dining room combo, you're going to find your full butler's pantry. Now, you have the Vero water here. They're going to replenish that throughout your stay, still or sparkling. You can take the bottles around the ship. They have places for you to refill. And of course, you can take it to landside for one of those incredible excursions. Now, you've got all your cutlery, stemware, and glassware because you can dine in your suite. And of course, Oceania always includes sodas, water, specialty coffees, and teas. In fact, you can even have your butler arrange to have a standing coffee order delivered to your suite from the delicious Barista's Ely Coffee Bar. Just behind, you'll find that fully stocked mini fridge, and then here you'll find your full dining room table. One of the great privileges of this suite is you can have all your meals served course by course right here in your suite from the specialty restaurants, or of course you can have it from the grand dining room, or later into the evening, you can even take advantage of that expanded room service menu. Tucked in the corner, you've got a writing desk. You'll see that it's highly upgraded here as well with 2 US plugs, a European plug, 2 USBs, and 2 USB-C chargers. Now, as we continue through the living room space, you've got a large sofa that does fold out into additional bedding if you have more than 2 passengers staying in the suite, or of course, if you have friends traveling together. You've got 2 reading chairs here. You've got a curated library in the corner, storage underneath, and a large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television and taking advantage of those great movies on demand. Now, they've also added built-in speakers, high-tech around the room. That way you can take advantage of those wonderful movies or maybe the big game. Now, a lot of our guests do host other guests here on board. We do a lot of wonderful groups. Keep in mind, you're going to want to reach out far in advance. We can get you on our early deployment list to make sure as soon as the space becomes available, we can grab it for you because this will go quick. Now, keep in mind, another great amenity is you're going to get 6 full-size liquor or wine bottles. Your Harr Travel advisor can help you choose so that they're ready here upon your arrival. As we step into the bedroom, I love that there's a door. That separation of space goes so far. And now we're in your dressing room and closet. So you've got a nice seat here. Show you what this looks like as I open it up. You're going to find that you have your full laptop size safe. This is where you can unpack your bag. Now, keep in mind, your butler can pack and unpack for you. You also can take advantage of some of the complimentary laundry, shoe shining, and pressing services. You have your cashmere throw up above, and then you have an enormous amount of space beyond. So you've got hanging storage all the way across. It tucks all the way back there. You've got those highly upgraded bathrobes. There's 2 varieties to choose from. Now you can take those up to the Aquamar Spa Terrace. It's going to be included with this particular suite. It's a wonderful space, and you can see it on our full ship tour. You've got more storage here with hanging storage all the way across, and then down below, you're going to find more storage as well. You've got drawers, and then you've got a shelf up above. Now what I love about this is it's truly a residence at sea. Our guests do 7-day cruises all the way up to longer grand voyages put together, and this is the spectacular suite that you want. Now you've got a vanity tucked in the corner. You'll find that you have more of the plugs, 2 US, a European, USB and USB-C. They'll provide the hair dryer for you as well. And then as we continue along, you're gonna find the bedroom space. You've got a full king size bed, that highly upgraded Tranquility bed. It's absolutely stunning. You're gonna find some of your best night's sleep here. You've got upgraded pillows, linens, and mattress, and you even have a full pillow menu to choose from. On either side of the bed, you've got nightstands where you can tuck things away. You have another US, USB, and USB-C plug on either side of the bed, directional reading lamp so you don't disturb your partner, and directly across you have yet again another large flat panel TV. You can take advantage of a nice movie in bed before you head to sleep. Now this particular suite does connect to another concierge veranda. Of course, your Harr Travel advisor can help you pick that out and guide you through the process. Now, as we step into the bathroom, you're gonna find that you have a door that shuts for privacy. You'll also have a water closet tucked away. Really appreciate that they have a bidet. And now we'll step into the large shower. Now you've got more of that beautiful marble decor, rainfall shower head up above, adjustable shower wand here, and then you'll find a full bench seat there where you can sit and soak. Now tucked in the corner, you're gonna have a soaking tub, big enough even for me. Now, as I mentioned, your butler can draw a bubble bath for you. You can take advantage of the bath salts that they provide. You can imagine going to an incredible excursion. We're in Rome today, visiting the Vatican, the Colosseum, coming back for a nice soak, a glass of champagne before you head on out and enjoy this beautiful vessel. You've got storage up and down with the drawers, that Bulgari bath set that you can actually take home with you. You've got storage all the way underneath the large marble vanity, storage tucked behind the mirrors, a plug for a US razor, and then you're also gonna find those highly upgraded Acqua di Parma and Bulgari bath amenities. And now we're out on your large oversized veranda. You're gonna have beautiful forward-facing views. It wraps around the side as well. You get the same views as the captain. Of course, you've got your full dining room table. You can have every single one of your meals served course by course right here. And then as we continue through the space, you're gonna find 2 large loungers. They're overstuffed. They've got the terry cloth tops on there. They also have pillows that you can use and cocktail tables. You can imagine sitting out here, relaxing, enjoying a book, or just the beautiful vistas wherever you are sailing in the world. Now you'll see it is a massive veranda. It goes all the way around the side. You've got 2 chairs and a table. Perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the beautiful, ever-changing ocean views. For me, there's just something magical about that fresh ocean air, sailing in and out of incredible ports all around the world that makes me smile and know that I'm in my home away from home. Now, when you're ready to make this your home away from home or book any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an amazing relationship with the cruise lines, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.